A common misnomer of the asphalt industry is we are not regulated, and that couldn't be further from the truth.
So you may be driving past a hot mix facility and you see a white plume of what people might think is smoke, but it's really not. It's just the steam from the process of drying all the aggregate and the sand that's going through the plant, just like a kettle on your stove.
So the bag house is a reverse air design system that pulls the fines out of the mix, runs them through a filter process, and then we reincorporate them back into the mixture.
You have to have a third party come in and they do a test on your bag house. It's a high-tech scientific method that they use to see how much emissions is coming out of that source.
It's a very clean operation, and our guys keep a close eye on it to make sure that the bags remain in good shape. And every winter we go through it, and if they need to be replaced, we replace them.
We're highly regulated by the EPA. We're required to report our emissions both monthly and annually. We also have stormwater permits that we must report quarterly on, and we're also subject to random inspections by the local EPA authorities.
The EPA establishes the allowable emissions. It's important to make sure that you don't exceed your emissions and deviate from the controls of your permit. So my role is to manage that. Emissions are monitored by record keeping, scheduled logs of your bag house, and of course you have to report your annual emissions. All asphalt plants are required to have an air quality permit, and that permit reflects what specific equipment you can operate at a specific location. Think of the air permit as a license to release a certain amount of emissions. Asphalt plants are an important link to the infrastructure. Compliance is key. It has to be the bottom line for any asphalt plant.